Today we're going to remove the tail lamp or taillights of this vehicle. Also an extra clip where I replaced the reverse light bulb with LEDs. The removal of the tail lamp is pretty simple. There are no pockets or anything that needs to be removed inside the cabin. There are only 4 bolts that needs to be removed. Use a screwdriver to remove those. Take this rubber stopper away. Then just pull the taillight assembly. It will pop out. The tail lamps has 2 metal retainers, which holds the taillight. Here's an extra clip where I changed the reverse light bulb with an LED bulb. And there you have it. I hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe now for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.